What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I still have a cold because if you watched my Urban Decay video, I'm recording this on the same day. So if you're interested in my makeup look, I will include that little video tab somewhere up there, how YouTube does that. But in today's video, I'm doing my hair and I'm showing you guys how I curl my hair with my Beachwaver. I love this thing. If you've never seen it before, it is the automatic twirling curling iron. And honestly, when I first saw this, I was like, that is so dumb. How lazy can you be that you can't even twirl your own curling iron? Oh my god, I just dropped my phone. Okay, the phone is safe. But my mom saw it on QVC, and if you guys have followed me for a while, I'm clickbait. My hair is driving me crazy because it does not look good right now. If you followed me for a while, I am absolute clickbait for anything that QVC does, and they did the girl's hair so fast. It looked really good, so I bought it. I got the 1-inch because I wanted to compare it to my everyday curling iron. But I normally use a 1-inch Chi, so I wanted to be able to have something to compare it to. My one complaint about this is because of how it rotates, you have to curl your hair from the bottom, and like those hairstyles that that you leave some out, that it's not curled all the way down where you like pull it and the ends are straight, you can't do with one of these. Or if you can, I have not figured out a way to do it without making a hella crease. So that would be my only complaint about it, but I really like the way the curls look, so I'm going to show you guys today. I'm just realizing that my shirt is really dark, so if for some reason we can't see the outcome of the curls, I will throw on a different shirt because I'm looking at my viewfinder and I'm like, can y'all even see this? But if it's dark, I'll let you guys know. So, with a different shirt on. So the first thing that I do is I'm not like particular about it at all. I just take half my hair and clip it up. I do like to spend more attention on the top of my hair than the bottom, which, oh my god, I'm like literally knocking everything over. Which I do have extensions in my hair. I have sewn extensions. My actual hair is probably, let me pull out my actual hair. My actual hair is like boob length. No, actually it's longer than that. That's my hair. It's long. But I do have extensions in for volume. And so I start at the bottom. I place the hair in the clip and I just rotate it. There's also 2 different speed settings on fast, which I don't really feel like is that fast, but just so you know, there are 2 speed settings, and you hand control wrapping it and unwrapping it. I honestly think it's faster just to let it out of the clip than to unwrap each piece of hair, but once you do it a few times, you kind of figure out a little bit of a rhythm with it. So again, I'm just going to the bottom of my hair. I'll do it up here so you guys can see. And I'm just pressing the buttons. So the buttons go either direction on it. And I like to curl with this away from my face, and I do it all in the same direction. I can see the time on my camera viewfinder, so I will let you guys know when I'm done how long this takes me, but it's definitely faster than with a regular curling iron, for me at least. I just knocked something over again. Okay, I'm done. I'm done being a goofball today. Okay, so now I'm just going to the other side and I'm doing the same exact thing. And if you're worried about snagging up your hair, I mean, you just put your finger off of it. So it's honestly super easy to use. I remember when those curling irons, they probably still have them, but those ones that auto did it, that you weren't able to hand control it, like, oop, stopped it, going again, stopped it. Those ones that just like sucked up your hair, I was like, how is that not hurting your hair? But this, you have full control over. It is not scary, I promise. So I'm just going to do the other side exactly how I did this side. Okay, so I just did the bottom in 3 minutes, and now I'm just going to hit it with some Tresemme hairspray. Ooh, I'm almost out of this. I gotta get another one of these. But I use the purple one, which is the 5 hold, and I'm just gonna let that sit while the curls cool. And now I'm gonna go to the top of my hair, so I'm letting it out of the clip. And I typically do my hair what up look. I typically do my hair in a middle part. Unless it just isn't cooperating, then I'll move it to a side. But that's how I'm going to curl it, is like we're doing it in the middle part. So I'm just putting it in the clip. And I'm going to curl it away from my face. And I hold it. You guys might have seen me going like this, touching the barrel. I'm doing it because that's how I know how long to keep any curling iron on my hair, is once you can start to feel heat on your fingers, then your curl is good. And just pull it out. A little ringlet. And I'm just going to continue to do that on the whole top of my head. And I'll tell you guys how long the top took. I'm checking the time. Okay, so I'm done with this side of my hair on the top, and now I'm just going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Okay, so I just finished curling the top of my hair. I'm not done yet, but I'm just keeping track of myself, and that took me about 6 minutes, because I do spend a little bit more time, like I said, on the top than I do on the bottom. So you can curl your whole head in, what I say 3 minutes earlier, you can curl your whole head in under 10 minutes. So I'm going to let that just sit for a minute, and then I'm going to lightly tease it. My hair was already dirty to start with, so I already had a little bit of a tease left over. So I'm going to tease it just a little bit and then comb it out, and then I'm done. It is such an easy hairstyle. And I'm being lazy right now, so I'm just going to use my paddle brush to tease it. If y'all watched any of my other hair videos, I just go 1, 2, 3 to tease it. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to comb it all out. Okay, so that's it, you guys. This is the finished product. I love how these curls turn out. I think it's, I don't know, it kind of gives like little 70s vibes by the time you comb it out. So it's super easy, and most importantly, it's fast because of this nice little auto curling feature. I can't believe I used to think that this was dumb, because now this is my favorite curling iron. If you guys want me to review any other curling irons, definitely comment and let your girl know below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, because I'm putting out new videos every single day. I have absolutely fallen in love with YouTube, and now all I want to do is make YouTube videos. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. And find me on Instagram. My handle is @MadisonReedPayn. And that's all I got. Until my next video, bye!